Hi, I'm Reed the Naturalist. Welcome to my show about nature and science. Today we're at Audie Lake Campground and we're going to see what there is for nature here. Let's go find out. It's fall right now, but all the leaves are falling and they look crunch, crunch. Also, the leaves are turning brown, and they just turned colors, but now they're turning brown and falling off. Whoa! They're just like me! It's actually good when trees fall, because they will turn in the soil, but before that, they're good homes for littler animals like bugs. You can see it's crumbling. That's why we pull it apart so easily. This will turn into dirt for all the other trees to grow. What? Whoa! Look at these balls! What? This is crazy! This is birch bark. Look what's growing on it. Whoa! And this is moss. There's different types of moss on here. This moss and this moss. And moss can grow on anything pretty much. Oh, this is a different type of moss. This is star moss. Do you know how I know that? Because it's basically taller, but you can tell by, see this moss and this moss. It's fluffy. That's how I know it's star moss. Whoa, that rock is cool. It's also filled with moss, but different types of moss. Never eat berries unless you're an expert and you find them in the woods. You have to be an expert at knowing what type of berry it is. Otherwise, do not eat any berries. What are those? What in the world are those? It feels sort of like a burr, but soft too. That's what it feels like. I found some birch bark. Birch bark is very useful. You can use it for fire, and it can also last up through wet. And it will still burn. And it's also used paper. It's cool, because usually papers are made from trees, but this type of tree has special bark that can actually turn into paper. And birch bark is also meant. This is the most awesome thing. It's meant for canoes. Pretty crazy, but it's true. I just found some mushrooms. Look at them. They almost look like they have veins. They're cool. There's another type of mushroom right here. Different from the ones I just looked at. They're kind of like berries. Never eat them or even touch them because they could be poisonous. And unless you're an expert, you can eat them. Ooh, look at this. It's a kid's fishing trail. Ooh, this is tiring and hard. Audie Lake is already a good view from here. Let's see what view you can see from up here. Oh, it's gorgeous now. see it's a clearer lake. Just look at it. See? Ah. Ah. Soon it's going to be huge pine trees, like the ones over there. I wonder what's put down this tree. I think it's a beaver, because you can see the teeth marks and how it is. It's shaped like how beavers cut down trees. So I guess you know it's beaver. And yesterday, something cool happened. We saw a beaver swimming, and then it splashed its tail. But before that, we just saw a splash and didn't know what it was. But then we figured out it was a beaver. I'll show you right now. This is even a better example right here. See, jump, and then it come on, and then they brought it into a dam. Oh, the beaver started chewing this tree, it looks like. See how it digs in, digs in, digs in. Here's the fresh one that he cut down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. It looks like this tree was about 20 years old. You can tell by the ring. Can you go over or on? I want to go over this one. And the other one. Oh, what? Easy. I'm climbing over this one. Oh, it's hard to climb over this one. I made a smart choice. Look at this very cool moss. Bright green. Have you ever seen this moss before? Look at this bark. It's amazing. It's like out of the tree. I hope you enjoy exploring Audie Lake's nature. It's a really good camp set. You have really good nature if you really want to be in the wilderness. You can come out here and it's completely almost to yourself. Not much people know about it, so it's sort of secret. We have a good campsite and I would really recommend to come here. It's really cool. Bye, thanks for watching.